Hello, my name is William Hong Wang, and my project is design and evaluation of a low-cost computer vision system for real-time and automated chess move notation. Chess notation is required in formal play and tournaments, so manual notation is required and it disturbs focus and consumes time. Existing solutions rely on handwritten transcription or expensive smartboards. Need for an affordable, real-time, non-intrusive solution. So the problem statement is that our project automatically records chess moves without player interaction, and it operates in real time during live games. It uses low cost, widely available hardware, and it remains robust to lightning, angle, and occlusion. Handwritten dictation saves times only after games. The smartboards require specialized, costly hardware. Single image recognition systems are fragile and poor responsiveness to lightning glare and board variation. Our project solves all these problems. The system overview is a camera-based real-time chess direction, and the three main components are the vision and pre-processing pipeline, the YOLO V8-based piece detection, game state tracking, and PGN generation. So, as you can see in the picture, the OpenCV goes to detect the chessboard and flattens the chessboard to a 2D model, and it goes to the trained YOLO V8 model and it detects pieces and it detects the pieces move. And it records it, and at the end, it transforms it into a PNG, which is the file for chess games. Vision pre-processing pipeline. Live video captured from the Raspberry Pi camera. As you can see from the code, it converts the chessboard into a grayscale so that it can detect the chessboard and the chess pieces, and then it also detects the corners so it can see where the chessboard is. The homography is applied to normalize board the top-down view. The custom the YOLO V8 model is what detects chess pieces, and it detects pieces type and position in real time. The bounding boxes map to board squares is shown below. As you can see, white and black pieces are separated through the squares, and the weight model optimized for edge devices. As you can see, the board on the left is being filmed, and then the 2D version on the right is shown. Game state inference. Consecutive voices compare piece movements inferred from position changes. Python chess validates legality of moves. Moves recorded automatically in PGN format. Here's an example of how the detection works. So it finds an image of the chessboard, and it looks at the corners, and then it converts the pieces into uh, data. System visualization. The real-time digital 2D chessboard display synchronized with physical board. So as you saw on the right side of the uh, live video, there was a 2D chessboard and then continuous update of game state. So then we could see the continuous 2D version of the game, which allows players and organizers to view game process. Experiment 1, real-time performance. Evaluated to end-to-end latency on Raspberry Pi 5. Tested multiple input resolutions and model sizes. YOLO V8 at A32, which achieved 34 frames per second. It's balanced speed and accuracy for live play. Experiment 2, occluding robustness. Simulated hands covering up to 30% of the board. Compared detection only versus rule validated pipeline. Legality checks improved in accuracy by up to 12%. The system recovered from transit occlusions. Results summary. Our project maintains real-time performance on commodity hardware. The robust light variation and partial occlusion, accurate automatic notation, no interruption to gameplay. Limitations of future work. So we recognize challenges under extreme occlusion, no persistent game database implemented yet, future integration with cloud storage for analysis, and improved handling of promotion and special moves. Conclusion. Demonstrated feasibility of low-cost automated chess notation. Computer vision enables non-intrusive real-time recording systems suitable for scholastic and club environments. ChessTV modernized chess notation while preserving focus. Thank you.